Hey everyone, MHT Aviation here, and today I've got some very exciting planes to unbox from all Gemini jets. There are six airplanes. Five of them are brand new, and one of them is I bought off of eBay. And these are recent releases. The one from eBay was a release from a few years ago. But here we're going to be unboxing 3 regional jets and 3 mainline jets. I pre-ordered several new models from Gemini Jets, as you all are aware about the CRJ900 Delta. I pre-ordered 3. Unfortunately, I think I'm only getting 1. But so yeah, let's cut right to the chase and get to the unboxings. So here's the main lines. I ordered 2 of these and 1 Frontier. Here's the regionals. You can see this is the Delta CRJ900, and here's the new CRJ200 from the United Express, and here's the old one in the old livery. So first we're going to unbox the Southwest Classic livery. So these 2 I bought. Obviously there's 2 in real life, but these are 2 of the same registration. So here's the box, the side, the back, and now we can unbox this. This is the first time I've had a Dash 700. Oh, this one's tough to unbox. There we go. So this is the first 700 I have in the old mustard livery, as they call it. So here's that. Here's the first one. And now we're gonna unbox the other one. I'm gonna do that off the camera. Doing this a little quick. Alright. Here's the dual 700s in the mustard livery. These are really nice. To the side, to the underside. It has the classic. Put that to the side. I'll put these now to the side. And this looks to be tail heavy. So now I'm going to move on to the other airplanes. So we're going to unbox the Frontier Airlines now. Just move all these out of the way. So the same ones. I'm gonna unbox this one. This is my second Frontier Airlines model. Sweet. Here's Frontier. Alright, let's enter that. Very nice details of the Frontier A321. Just gonna slowly rotate this. Slowly pick this up. The underside, and I'm going to place that right there. These are really cool models. Now I'm going to unbox all three of the CRJs. So the first one is actually going to be the 900. So it's this one right here. This is the more anticipated model that Gemini just has released. Obviously brand new. I mean, hopefully I can get all three. The fact that the camera always goes out of focus is pretty hilarious. So here's the CRJ900. This is the very first RJ900 I own. So November 821 Sierra Kilo. Very nice. It's the underside. Although the wheels are bent in for some reason. That's not good. There's that. I'll place that right there. Now on to the next one. These two I'm going to unbox simultaneously. So they're going to be... Apologies about that. The video cut out midway. But here, going to unbox the last two CRJ200s. Here's the used old livery one. This is the first time I've had United for the RJs. And now here's the other one. Set this aside. Now take this one. And there's that one. Obviously two very different liveries. This one's a new livery one. This one's the old livery one. This is very nice. I like the new livery on the CRJ200. It's the underside. Here's this one. And then here's the underside for that one. And that about wraps up the unboxings on all 6 of these models. Very cool. I love these models. Very nice. Hoping to get more of the RJ900s. And so, thank you for watching. And hopefully this was sorry about the quick unboxing. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos like this.